Parts of a law that drew a firestorm of opposition in Madison more than a year ago may now be no more. Continuing coverage of breaking news tops this Friday night edition of Fox 11 News at 9. Good evening, everyone. Late on this Friday afternoon, the collective bargaining law was struck down by a Dane County judge. And that brings the debate right back into the spotlight. The law stripped most contract negotiating powers from most public workers' unions. Now, Dane County Circuit Judge Juan Colas ruled that the law, known as Act 10, violates both the state and U.S. constitutions. The ruling was based on a lawsuit that was filed by the Madison Teachers Union and a union for the Milwaukee City employees. But the governor has already said he will appeal. Fox 11's Beth Jones has multiple views on today's ruling.
More than a year ago, Governor Scott Walker's crowning achievement drew tens of thousands in protest. Now a judge's ruling has done away with much of Act 10, at least for now.
The legal process in place to decide these issues. The decision does raise serious concerns about the constitutionality of the law, and whatever happens, I think it's important that we treat all workers fairly, and we should all be striving for that.
Democratic State Senator Dave Hansen was one of 14 other senators who left the state in protest of Act 10. He and others against the law say the ruling is good news.
We believed all along that, this is the right thing for workers is to be able to collectively bargain, and so this is a positive step in the right direction.
The ruling applies to all local public workers affected by the law, including teachers and city and county government employees. However, it doesn't apply to state workers since they weren't a party to the lawsuit. Shortly after the ruling, Governor Scott Walker released a statement saying a liberal judge just wants to go backwards and is confident the state will win the appeal.
It worries me some, but I do believe it'll be overturned.
Republican State Senator Rob Coles helped to pass the legislation. He agrees with the governor.
It's a significant part of our state budget. It legitimately went through the legislature. It saves about $300 million a year, helps us balance our budget without raising taxes.
Coles feels the ruling could go all the way to the state Supreme Court. In Green Bay, Beth Jones, Fox 11 News.